In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download QuickBooks PDF. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF of the exact report you need, ready for email, filing, or meetings. First, head to the Reports area in QuickBooks Online. On the left-hand navigation, click Reports. This page groups all the key financial snapshots you might need. You can scroll through the Standard section or use the search bar at the top if you know the report's name. Open the report you want to export. Common choices are profit and loss for income and expenses, or balance sheet for what the business owns and owes. If you need something more specific, like a sales summary or expense detail, you can open that too. The downloading process is the same. Next, run the report so it reflects the correct time frame. At the top of the report, set your date range. You can pick a preset like this month, last month, this quarter, or choose custom and select exact start and end dates using the calendar. Take a second to confirm the period is right for your purpose. For example, a full year for taxes or last month for a manager's review. When your dates look good, click Run Report to refresh the numbers. If the report takes a moment to load, that's normal. QuickBooks is recalculating based on your selection. Now you're ready to download a PDF. At the top right of the report, click the small print icon. This opens a preview window so you can see how the report will look on paper or as a PDF. In this preview, the quickest option is to click Download, which saves a PDF directly to your computer. If you don't see a download button, use your browser's print dialog and select Save as PDF as the destination. The wording may vary slightly by browser, but you're looking for the option that saves to a PDF file instead of sending it to a physical printer. Before you save, check the layout. If your columns look squeezed or wrapped to a new line, switch the orientation to landscape, and, if available, reduce the scale slightly, around 90 to 95%, to help everything fit on one page width. Leave margins at the default unless you need more white space. Choose where to save the file and give it a clear